Greetings everyone, I'm Elf Benson here live from the North Pole Sleigh Barn. At this very moment, Elf Earl is here in the sleigh barn continuing to tune the sleigh bells. So Earl, why is it your job to tune the bells each and every year?
Well, Benson, since I'm in charge of building the sleigh, it only seems right for me to be the one to test the bells. It's actually one of my favorite things to do each year. Each bell has to be tuned precisely. If one bell is out of tune, it can throw off the reindeer and the rhythm. Not to mention, it just sounds bad. I have to start so many hours before Santa's launch because it takes so long to do, but it's worth it.
Thanks Earl. The tuning of the sleigh bells is one thing that is often overlooked here at the North Pole, but thanks to Elf Earl, it always gets done to perfection. For the Track Santa, I'm Elf Benson.